What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car seats for infants on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Graco Harness Booster Car Seat. The Graco Transitions 3-in-1 Harness Booster Car Seat in the Proof 2.0 color offers reliable support for growing children who ride in a forward-facing position. It serves families who want steady comfort during daily travel while keeping movement simple for busy schedules. The design supports a young rider first, with a forward-facing harness from 26.5 to 65 pound. Then, as the child grows, it works as a high-back booster from 40 to 100 pound and later becomes a backless booster within the same weight range. The higher starting limit follows updated industry guidance to maintain better safety for developing bodies. Parents who appreciate easy adjustments value a system that moves the headrest and harness together through a smooth single action. This approach removes the need to feed straps through different slots and keeps the fit consistent as the child gains height. The 9-position headrest offers room for steady growth without complicated steps. A lightweight frame made from metal, plastic, and polyester makes carrying the seat between vehicles simple, which helps families who balance school trips, errands, and weekend travel. Latch installation supports a firm setup in a forward-facing seat position while still allowing caregivers to secure the car seat without strain. The structure remains solid once placed correctly, so the rider can settle in with dependable support during daily rides. The cushioning maintains comfort without adding unnecessary weight, and the exterior remains durable for long-term use. Families appreciate a product that shifts through multiple stages without replacing equipment repeatedly. This 3-stage approach supports toddlers, school-age riders, and older youth in one consistent unit. It reduces clutter, keeps routines simple, and maintains a familiar seating space for the child through years of change. In our list, the number 2 product name is Chico Infant Car Seat. The Chico Key Fit 35 Zip Clear Tech Infant Car Seat in the ash gray style supports families who want steady comfort and dependable protection for a newborn riding in a rear-facing position. It is crafted with metal, plastic, and polyester to offer strength while remaining gentle enough for daily travel. The unit works with a stay-in-car base so caregivers can move the carrier without disturbing a resting child, creating smoother routines from home to vehicle and back again. Parents value a setup that keeps installation steady each time. The structure includes guiding details that help the base rest at an appropriate angle in the vehicle seat, reducing confusion for new caregivers. A secure attachment through the latch system or a European belt path or a belt lock-off allows flexibility for different vehicles, giving families more confidence during everyday trips. The headrest extends through 5 positions to support safe use as the child grows taller. This system moves together with the harness, helping maintain a proper fit for an infant with little effort. An integrated anti-rebound bar adds support during motion while also creating additional legroom so babies can rest with more space as they grow toward the maximum height limit. A canopy with ultraviolet protection 50 rating offers shade during bright days, while a zip-open privacy covering and mesh panel give ventilation and shielding when needed. The Clear Tech fabric uses gentle materials without added flame-resistant treatment, supporting a cleaner environment around sensitive skin and meeting standards for reduced chemical emissions. Families who use Chico strollers appreciate the ability to click the carrier directly into a compatible model for smoother transitions during walks, errands, or travel. A quick-release handle supports easy removal, and the seat pad lifts out for cleaning, helping maintain a comfortable and fresh resting place for the youngest rider. In our list, the number 3 product name is Kleck Lying Infant Car Seat. The Kleck Lying Infant Car Seat in the marshmallow style supports newborn travel with a compact shape that helps families manage daily movement in a rear-facing position. It is built with metal and covered in Krypton C0 performance fabric, giving the carrier a smooth surface that resists stains, moisture, and odor while still feeling gentle for small children. The lightweight body allows caregivers to lift and place the seat without strain, making routine transitions between home vehicle and stroller easier. A secure setup is important for new parents, and this model uses a rigid latch connection or a seatbelt route to create a firm link with little effort. The load leg extends toward the vehicle floor to limit rotation during sudden movement, helping reduce strong forces that can reach the child. The structure uses layers of energy-absorbing material around the sides to help manage impact from different directions and satisfies updated safety requirements for side collision protection. Families with limited cabin space appreciate the narrow width that leaves additional room for other passengers or allows a row to fit 3 seats across. The compact shape also offers extra leg space in the front seating area, which is helpful for taller adults who need more comfort during long trips. The recline system adjusts through 7 angles even after the base is already placed in the vehicle. This flexibility supports a relaxed posture for the child whether the seat cushion below is flat or sloped. Caregivers can find a steady position that keeps the rider supported without complicated steps. The carrier connects with many stroller brands to create a convenient travel method for walks, errands, or flights. The fabric pieces can be removed for cleaning so the seat stays fresh through everyday use. This thoughtful approach helps families manage infant transportation with steadiness, convenience, and lasting comfort. In our list, the number 4 product name is Graco Extend 2 Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat. The Graco Extend 2 Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat in the Redmond 2.0 style supports families seeking steady comfort from infancy through early childhood. It is crafted with polyester and designed for use in a rear-facing position before transitioning to a forward-facing setup when a growing rider reaches the appropriate size. This approach helps parents maintain long periods of travel safety while keeping the seating space familiar for the child. The structure allows an infant to ride rear-facing from 4 to 50 pounds, giving caregivers the option to keep the smallest passenger in a safer orientation for an extended stage. An adjustable panel beneath the seat base moves outward to create meaningful added leg space so a taller toddler can stay rear-facing without feeling cramped. When the rider becomes ready for a forward-facing position, the harness continues to support up to 65 pounds, allowing one seat to last through several development phases. A latch connection helps caregivers secure the seat during setup with a clear, audible signal that confirms proper placement. The recline system offers 6 angles so the seat can rest in a comfortable posture that matches the shape of the vehicle cushion, making long trips smoother for the child. A headrest with 10 height settings moves with the harness through a single motion, helping parents maintain a correct fit as the child grows taller without rethreading any straps. The design includes helpful pockets that hold the harness straps aside while placing or removing the child, preventing tangles and making routines quicker for busy families. The overall structure is crafted to manage force from various directions, offering protection during different types of sudden movement. With thoughtful comfort, long-lasting use, and straightforward adjustment, this convertible car seat supports safe everyday travel from the first ride onward. In our list, the number 5 product name is Diono Safe Plus Infant Car Seat. The Diono Light Click 30R XT Safe Plus Infant Car Seat in the Blue Surge style supports early travel needs with a rear-facing setup designed for newborns through the first growth stage. Crafted from polyurethane with a reinforced steel core, it brings dependable strength for daily rides while keeping the structure lightweight enough for parents to manage with ease. This foundation mirrors the brand's focus on stability, giving families reassurance each time they secure the child for a trip. The seat serves babies from 4 pound through 30 pound or a height of 30 inch, making it suitable for long stretches of early development. A steel anti-rebound bar limits twisting during sudden movement while the top tether increases stillness, creating a calmer and safer travel experience. The base helps caregivers find the correct angle through guided indicators and a leveling system that adjusts based on the shape of the vehicle cushion, helping new parents achieve a steady setup without confusion. Premium latch points give a solid connection for everyday use, and the belt path design allows installation with a passenger seat belt when using ride-share services, taxis, or other vehicles without a base. This flexibility supports families who move between different transportation methods and need a reliable option for each situation. The Sit Right insert supports the smallest riders, offering stages that shift as the baby grows. A three-position harness adjusts smoothly without rethreading, while padded straps keep the infant comfortable against the body. The hood offers ultraviolet protection 50, extending with a zipper to provide shade or privacy, and a fold-out visor adds greater shielding on bright days. Compatibility with Maxi-Cosi adapters expands stroller pairing choices, helping families build convenient travel systems. A rear-facing mirror included with the purchase keeps the child visible from the driver's seat, offering peace of mind during every ride.